bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And every day we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. Even if you drift and fall, look down up and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming.
Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study with Manohar. Today we are discussing a topic about how to make short notes for any competitive exams. Who are new to this channel? I am Manohar, civil engineering graduate and preparing for the UPSC. And quickly subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon, you will get notification when I upload my video. And like my videos and share with your friends too. Let's get into the topic and we will discuss about how to make short notes for any competitive exams. Let's go. These are the notes which I prepared for my exam. I collected the resources from the very different topics and very different subjects. So let's discuss the total topics about this in a very brief way. When did you start making a note?
Know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy.
Don't start making a notes in a very first time, because when you start making a notes in a very first time, it's really hectic and you used to write each and every topic and each and every segment in the static books and resources. So don't start making notes in a very first reading. Start your notes making after completing your 3 readings or 2 readings, because in first reading your thoughts would be like each and every topic was important and each and every segment was important. So when you start preparing for UPSC, give first reading completely, and when you completed your first reading, automatically you'll get a clarity about which topic is very important, which topic is not that much important. After getting into your second reading, start seeing the previous year question papers. It really helps you to make which topic is important and which topic is not important for prelims or mains. You will get clarity for second reading. So when you got clarity for second reading, just start making a notes for the third reading. Why? Because at this point you totally observe the syllabus and you observe that particular static subject and the static part. Don't make that much of notes with comparity of first and second revision. So start making notes in the third revision. It goes in a very crispy way, and it really helps you to prepare in when the crucial times comes for the mains. Mainly when you are writing for the mains paper, you don't have that much time to read the total static book very big. At that time, the crispy notes will helps you very in an effective way and very quick revision too. So start making notes after completing your 2-3 revisions. It helps you to revise the total points in a very short time and in a short way, in very effective manner. So try to make notes after completing your 2 to 3 revisions.
Baby, don't throw our love away.
When you are making the notes, try to make as possible as like drawing bar charts and brief introduction, because when you draw the bar graphs or like in this boxes phase, so it really helps you to recollect the points in a very fast manner, and you recollect the topics in a very effective way. So try to make the bar charts and try to make your notes as colorful as possible. It helps when you are preparing for your revision and when you are attempting any exam. It really helps for when you draw these types of boxes or when you draw bar graphs. It really helps. Try to make your notes as colorful as possible, because when you are reading your book, you should not get bored, because some people write in a very plain things and without using any colorful things. They get easily bored when they are reading their own books. So try to make your notes as colorful as possible. And another thing was, when you are preparing your notes, try to make different types of bar graphs and different types of boxes or triangles or rectangles. So by using this strategy, the revision process, it really helps in a very effective way. When you are start making a notes at a particular topic or particular thing, so first understand the topic in a very brief way. Easy to make a short notes for that, and when you understand the topic, then it comes easy to make making of bar graphs or the center point which you would like to connect with the different types of sources and the different types of things. So first understand the concept, and then making of bar graphs or mnemonics, it gets really easy. How to prepare my notes to short notes.
I feel for the lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down, mountain, still stand tall. Believe.
Usually, when you are making your short notes or when you are making your recipe notes, don't try to make a copy paste method. Just understand the concept and just understand the subject point of view of what you learn from these very days. So by that concept, try to start making the short notes that which topic you understand. Don't try to make each and every point in your short notes. Most of the times, make and revised content in your mind, memorize your content, and when you are making your short notes, don't try to write paras to paras and each and every point that which had in the starting part, do write in your short notes. Your short notes should be so crispy. So when you are preparing for your mains or prelims or interview, it should be like when you are start or opened your short notes, it should be revised in 1 to 3 to 4 days. So try to make as short as possible, and it really helps you for your quick revision. How to prepare current affairs? These are my current affairs notes where I prepared for prelims 1 notes and mains 1 notes.
And keep on running. Don't look back. Stay dreaming.
When you are preparing for current affairs, first go through different types of websites like Wajiram, Rao's IAS, IAS Baba, Insights IAS, and Vision. These are the trending websites for the civil services. So first go through these websites. After checking all these websites, you will get a clarity about which website is very familiar with you, and then you will understand which institute material was very understandable and prefer those institute material and make it short notes from that material. Try to divide current affairs into two subtopics like prelims and the mains. So then it will be very convenient when you are reading for particular for the prelims and mains. Mainly, I used to prefer daily read newspaper, Times of India, Indian Express, and the Hindu. These three plays a crucial role in the government exams. So try to read these three papers. In beginning, it takes at least 1.5 hour or 1 hour. After somewhat you got experience about how to read the paper and how to tackle the paper and how to pick the subject from the paper, then it will take at least 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and make a daily short notes from it. It really helps you when you're writing the essays and when you're writing in your answers too, or in ethics. There is a particular authors. Try to make identify those authors. They really write editorials very clear for our mains preparation. So I think it helps to you. So many people are messaging me to do how to prepare short notes and how to prepare notes and how to pick the current affairs and how to make current affairs short notes in a very effective way. I addressed each and every topic in this video. Helps for you too. I answered every question in this video. I think it helps for you too. And let's meet you in next vlog. Thank you.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars.